Which of these is true about the purchase of alcohol? A. A friend of a person can verify his age for ID purposes. B. The legal age to purchase alcohol is the same in most states. C. An establishment must accept a photo ID in any condition. D. It's legal to use an official altered ID. The correct answer is B. The legal age to purchase alcohol is the same in most states. Which of these is least likely to be an acceptable form of identification? A. State ID. B. Passport. C. Driver's license. D. Birth certificate. The correct answer is D. Birth certificate. Today is February 14th, 2014. To which guest could you legally serve alcohol? A. Someone born February 14th, 1993. B. Someone born August 11th, 1993. C. Someone born April 14th, 1994. D. Someone born February 15th. 1993. The correct answer is A. Someone born February 14th, 1993. A fight has broken out. What is the first thing you should do? A. Try and stop the fight. B. Call the police. C. Call a manager. D. Remove guests from the surrounding area. The correct answer is B. Call the police. Which of these would be considered one drink? A. 16 ounces of beer. B. 6 ounces of wine, 12% alcohol. C. 5 ounces of wine, 12% alcohol. D. 1.5 ounces 100 proof liquor. The correct answer is C. 5 ounces of wine, 12% alcohol. You must ask customers to see an ID. A. When someone appears to be under 21. B. In any of these situations. C. When someone enters the establishment. D. When someone leaves and returns to the establishment. The correct answer is B. In any of these situations. Special alert features on underage driver's licenses may include all of these except A. Missing ghost image. B. Placement of photo on opposite side of ID or printing the ID in a vertical format. C. Special photo backdrop color. D. Highlighted text of state name or birth date. The correct answer is A. Missing ghost image. All of these could be a sign of a fake ID except A. The words valid or secure. B. Holograms that you can only see at an angle. C. Information that has been altered. D. Blurry or faded picture. The correct answer is B. Holograms that you can only see at an angle. A customer has consumed 6 drinks in the last 4 hours. Each drink contained 1.5 ounces of 100 proof alcohol. What is most likely to be his condition now? A. Intoxicated. B. Totally sober. C. On the borderline of sober and intoxicated. D. Not sober, but capable of driving a vehicle. The correct answer is A. Intoxicated. BAC is the measure of alcohol in the A. Liver. B. Brain. C. Body. D. Blood. The correct answer is D. Blood. According to the attached descriptions of people and what they had to drink, Who has consumed the most alcohol? Nancy drank 3 tall boy 16 ounces beers. Sam finished a 60 ounces pitcher of beer by himself. Joe drank 4 regular beers. A. Nancy. B. Joe. C. Some. D. Joe and Nancy. The correct answer is C. Sam. In which of these cases can you continue to serve a customer? A. If he is intoxicated but has a designated driver. B. If he is intoxicated but not violent. C. None of these. D. If she is intoxicated with no designated driver. The correct answer is C. None of these. Which of the following is not considered a sign of tampering when determining whether or not an ID is fake? A. Blurry or raised images. B. A very thin card. C. A vertical layout. D. Bubbles in the lamination. The correct answer is C. A vertical layout. A customer's birthday is May 15th, 2001. When will they turn 21? A. May 15th, 2020. B. May 15th, 2023. C. May 15th, 2021. D. May 15th, 2022. The correct answer is D. May 15th, 2022. What do you do if a customer arrives at your establishment already intoxicated? A. Do not serve them. B. Only serve them 1 drink. C. Call the police. A. Allow them inside but not into the bar area. The correct answer is A. Serve them. Whose BAC would be higher after drinking 1 12 ounces beer? A. A 67-year-old male. B. A 37-year-old male. C. A 67-year-old female. D. A 37-year-old female. The correct answer is C. A 67-year-old female. How many standard drinks are in 2 ounces of 100 proof from? A. 2. B. 1 by 1 half. C. 1. D. 1 half. The correct answer is A. 2. 2 men of the same height drink the same amount of alcohol. One man has a much larger body than the other. Which man will have a lower BAC? A. They will have the same BAC. B. The smaller man. C. The larger man. D. There's no way to know. The correct answer is C. The larger man. At what point do you stop alcohol service? A. When a customer shows signs of intoxication. B. When a customer has had 10 drinks. C. 1 hour before closing. D. When a customer becomes belligerent. The correct answer is A. When a customer shows signs of intoxication. Which of the following is not considered an added feature for ID security? A. Ultraviolet text. B. Text that changes color. C. Microprinting. D. Signature. The correct answer is D. Signature. What percentage of an 80 proof liquor is alcohol? A. 40%. B. 80%. C. 60%. D. 20%. The correct answer is A. 40%. According to dram shop laws, who can be sued if an intoxicated guest leaves your bar and their intoxicated behavior results in a fatal car accident? A. The server, the business, and the business owner. B. The intoxicated driver and the business. C. The business owner and the server. D. The server alone. The correct answer is A. The server, the business, and the business owner. Which of the following is not an acceptable form of ID? A. A college ID. B. A passport. C. A state-issued ID card. D. A military ID. The correct answer is A. A college ID. 1 ounce of 80 proof vodka and 2 ounces of 80 proof rum equal how many standard drinks? A. 3. B. 1. C. 2. D. 4. The correct answer is C. 2. Which of these actions results in a customer sobering up? A. Time passing. B. Eating fried foods. C. Half as much water. D. Drinking black coffee. The correct answer is A. Time passing. A healthy liver processes alcohol at about drink per hour. A. 2. B. 1. C. 1 half. D. 0. The correct answer is B. 1. What is the first thing you should do before stopping alcohol service, assuming you already have manager approval? A. Ask for backup. B. Call the police. C. Fill out an incident report. A. Allow the customer one last drink. The correct answer is A. Ask for backup. Civil liability can include and for anyone harmed. A. Lawsuits and compensation. B. Lawyers and representation. C. Jail time and fines. D. Penalties and reports. The correct answer is A. Lawsuits and compensation. What should you do if you notice a customer passing drinks to an underage person? A. Charge the customer as well as the underage person. B. Kick both the customer and the underage person out. C. Give the customer a warning and remove the underage person. D. Stop service to the customer and remove all alcohol. The correct answer is D. Stop service to the customer and remove all alcohol. Which foods are most effective at retaining alcohol in the stomach due to their extended digestion time? A. Foods high in fat. B. Foods high in salt. C. Foods high in sugar. D. Foods high in carbohydrates. The correct answer is A. Foods high in fat. At what point is it best to inform a customer that you will stop serving them alcohol? A. When they order their next drink. B. After you've served them a drink. C. When they become belligerent. D. When their designated driver arrives. The correct answer is A. When they order their next drink. Which of the following behaviors is not a sign of a customer's impaired judgment? A. They make irrational statements. B. They stagger or bump into things. C. They begin drinking faster. D. They become careless with money. The correct answer is B. They stagger or bump into things. Which of the following statements should be avoided when addressing a customer? A. It's against the law for me to continue serving you. B. I'm sorry if this upsets you. C. I'm just doing my job. D. Our company policy prohibits me from continuing to serve you. The correct answer is C. I'm just doing my job. Your customer arrived at 1 p.m. By 3 p.m., he's had 4 12-ounces beers. How many drinks remain in his system at 3 p.m.? A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. D. 1. The correct answer is C. 2. Which of the following is true of liquor laws? A. State laws are often stricter than municipal laws. B. They're more like guidelines. C. They are the same for every state. D. Municipal laws are often stricter than state laws. The correct answer is D. Municipal laws are often stricter than state laws. ID readers work in conjunction with what ID security features? A. Barcodes or magnetic strips. B. Microprinting. C. Holographic images. D. Signatures. The correct answer is A. Barcodes or magnetic strips. Which of the following is not an appropriate action when liquor authorities visit your establishment? A. Record the conversation. B. Ask for identification. C. Take notes. D. Inform your manager. The correct answer is A. Record the conversation. Serving alcohol to an underage person is an example of liability. A. Civil. B. Administrative. C. Criminal. D. Service. The correct answer is C. Criminal. When a person is, some states have laws against selling them alcohol, which hold the server and the establishment liable. A. Pregnant. B. Depressed. C. Visibly intoxicated. D. On medication. The correct answer is C. Visibly intoxicated. Which of these customers will likely have higher BAC? A. A wine drinker. B. A beer drinker. C. A craft beer drinker. D. A martini drinker. The correct answer is D. A martini drinker.